All right. Hi, my name's Tyler. Today we're talking about road cleaning robots. So littering is a huge, disgusting problem that I'm tired of looking at. Whenever I'm on a freeway or highway and I just look on the side of the road, I see a bunch of trash and it's just nasty. Or have you ever been like downtown LA and just seeing like all this disgusting trash? It's just a horrible problem and it's the future and nobody's dealing with it. Nobody's cleaning all this trash. And that's what kind of inspired me when I picked this option. Um, Modern day problems with street cleaning are it just takes a long time. It's not worth the effort. A lot of human input. They usually have people for community service go around and pick up trash. But that's not really a reliable form of picking up trash. So current methods are expensive and fail to keep up. Our mission is to create a system of robots that can hopefully make the process more efficient. Proposed robots, I put a few of my favorite robots. We named ours Mr. Clean, the Crawler, and the Scout Hawk. The Scout Hawk is designed to fly in the sky and pretty much get a bird's eye view of what's going on. It takes that and it shares it with the other robots. So it goes up there and it looks for trash and then it lets the other robots see where it is. The crawler is kind of like the main small one, and it goes around and it picks up just smaller pieces of trash. It's built like a tank. It has it's not built like a tank. It's built like a lawnmower, and it has three ultrasonic sensors, so it doesn't crash. It works with the other robots, communicates with them in order to find its location. It has a vacuum chute to collect the trash, and the only thing is it needs to be changed when it's full, but it has a force sensor to detect when it's full. It moves on its own. It relies on data sent from the other robots in order to know where trash is and to go and pick it up. It has a giant vacuum chute, which basically sucks up all the trash. It's kind of like a giant street sweeping vacuum. Not too big, maybe like the size of like a quad, a couple feet long. Mr. Clean it's kind of like a robot designed to pick up trash. The way I think of it, it's like a cyborg centaur. Like it's like the top half of it is sort of like a humanoid robot, but the bottom half is more like kind of the same tank like track like system, just so it can really go wherever it needs to go. It's very strong. It can lift up heavy weights, and that's what it's designed to pick up large trash. The robot collaboration, yeah. So the Scout Hawk gets a visual of the area. Um, I can pull this up real quick. Here we go. So this Scout Hawk flies around, gets a bird eye view, sees all the trash, comes down here, sees all the trash, and then it's wirelessly communicated to these two guys. This one goes around on his own, and when he finds an obstacle that's maybe too big, he'll let this guy know, and that's when he'll come and get that and take it to a specific area. So that's how that works. The value added. So street sweepers can only stay on the road. Our robot system can go off the road, and since it's autonomous, it doesn't require as much work as say driving a car. Um, in conclusion, I'll come back and do this part. I have to make 3 videos. All right, lastly, in summary, the 3 robots work together to tackle the problem of littering. The Scout locates all of the trash and communicates that with the other 2 robots. Mr. Clean picks up. Oh, yeah. Mr. Clean picks up the small objects, and the Crawler picks up the heavy objects. And together they clean up and they get rid of all that trash, so we don't have to look at it anymore. We can have a nice, clean world. That's all.